What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. As you all probably know, we are fast approaching the 2018 World Cup. Russia are hosting and some of the best footballers in the world are going to be there. It's going to be so sick. So I thought I'd create this video to pretty much show you guys how to style soccer jerseys, as I think it's a huge emerging trend for 2018, right in time for the World Cup. So if you plan on watching and want to attend and look a little bit cooler and not like a typical football fan, stay tuned. But before we get into that, I just want to say, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to drop a like and also subscribe to my channel, because we're so close to 1,000 subscribers. I'll be so buzzing if we can hit that as soon as possible. Also, this isn't going to be some long-winded video. I just want to give you guys a few style pointers and show you where you can get some cool streetwear soccer jerseys. And of course, this is all just my opinion. Okay, so I don't really rate the typical football shirt. To me, that's a tight-fitting shirt but doesn't sit too well with jeans or shorts. It just looks a bit douchey in my opinion. My advice would be to drop the most recent shirt, as it usually costs a bomb and it doesn't look all that stylish. And if you're sitting there thinking, well, it's not supposed to be stylish, this video ain't for you, bro. But if you want to continue watching, that'd be so sick. So drop that new shirt and think vintage. I think the vintage shirts are a lot more stylish and they hold a higher prestigious value. I also think the vintage shirts fit much better and will definitely turn a few heads. The looser, more edgy fit of this shirt will complement your outfit and it will sit better with jeans and shorts and make you stand out. Down below in the description, I'm going to link a load of websites that sell affordable vintage football shirts, so go and check them out. Moving on, if you want to go for a more streetwear look, I have some great products to show you, and I'm just going to go through them one by one. First up is the Gosha Rubchinsky football shirt in collaboration with Adidas. I'm a huge fan of this piece. It comes in a few cool colours and they also sell it in short and long sleeve. I also found another high-end soccer jersey, this time by Off-White. You might have seen it being teased on Instagram, although I think this is going to be a really hard piece to get due to the hype. Next is this really sick Tommy Jeans 90s football shirt. It's got great detail on the front and on the back it just says Hilfiger and 45. I've got two really stylish Adidas soccer jerseys, both pretty minimal. The first one is a long sleeve, it's in black. Along the shoulder you've got the 3 stripes, and then just below the neckline you've got the Adidas Originals logo. The second is basically that same design there, but in a polo version. I personally prefer the polo more. I think they're both so sick and they're really affordable as well. And to be fair, I found 3 more Adidas soccer jerseys. I really like this one here. It's in the white and purple pinstripe. I think it's really cool. And the other 2 are in white and blue. I think those are great alternatives to wear to a World Cup football match, as they look exactly like a football shirt and they're both pretty stylish. Next up is this proper vintage style Umbro shirt. It's pretty cool. I personally wouldn't wear it, but it's got that really cool Umbro graphic all over the tee, and on the pocket it just says number 10. And most of those products were actually on the Urban Outfitters website. There was loads more on there, but I just wanted to pick them ones out as my personal favourites. They're all going to be linked down below, so go check them out. I picked up a really cool soccer style jersey from ASOS, and I literally can't leave ASOS alone at the moment. They got some great stuff on there, so definitely pay them a visit. And here is the t-shirt. It's got a great oversized look to it. As soon as I saw it, I just thought of like a vintage sports style t-shirt. You could probably say it's like similar to a soccer jersey, even though it doesn't say it on the description. You've got like the crest there, like some writing there. It's pretty cool, so I thought I'd pick it up. I got it in a size small, and this is how it looks on. Only cost me £18, which is dead affordable in my opinion. The link's going to be down below in the description if you want to go check it out. Also, let me know what you think of that t-shirt down below in the comments. And that is the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and understood where I was coming from. If you want to switch up your style this World Cup, give it a go. And just before I shoot off, if you want to hear about my giveaway, hang about for literally 2 seconds. As soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, I'll be giving away a £50 ASOS gift voucher. And all you lot have to do is 2 very simple things. The first, you've got to be subscribed to me on YouTube. And the second, you've got to be following me on Instagram. There's my Instagram. It's important you follow me on there, because I'll be contacting the winner via Instagram. Thanks so much for watching. My name's Charlie Turner, and I'll see you lot very soon in the next video. Take care.